Let's get honest for a second. You know what hurts? Waking up every day knowing you're not living up to your potential. Scrolling for hours telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But deep down, knowing you're lying. That hurts more than any workout. More than waking up early. More than any failure. It's the pain of regret. We like to believe we're avoiding pain by choosing comfort. But what we're really doing is trading short-term ease for long-term suffering. Because discipline is temporary pain. But regret, that stuff lingers. Every time you hit snooze, skip the gym, or ignore that to-do list. You're not just delaying progress. You're building a habit of disappointment. You're teaching your brain that it's okay to let yourself down. And the worst part, you get used to it. You start accepting that maybe this is just who I am. And slowly, your dream version of yourself fades out of view. Let me tell you something important. Discipline isn't punishment. It's proof that you believe in your future self. You don't build confidence by shouting affirmations in the mirror. You build it by keeping promises you make to yourself when no one's watching, when no one's clapping, when quitting would be easier. You think it's the big moves that change your life? No, it's not the job offer, not the breakthrough idea. It's the tiny, boring, daily choices you make. Did you wake up when you said you would? Did you study for the hour you promised? Did you go work out even when it rained? Because the small stuff, it's never small. It's the foundation. And every time you choose discipline, you're casting a vote for the person you're becoming. Sure, it's hard. Of course it is. Discipline is saying no when the whole world is saying yes. It's doing what's right, not what's easy. It's being your own coach, your own critic, your own supporter. But what's harder? Waking up a year from now, in the exact same place, or worse, further behind, watching others pass you, not because they were better, but because they stayed consistent when you gave up. So if you're tired of feeling stuck, if you're tired of promising change and not delivering, then make this the moment. Not Monday, not next month, not when motivation comes back. Now pick one thing, one non-negotiable action that gets done no matter what. And when your brain says, but it's hard, you tell it, yes, but regret is harder. And one more thing, if you're struggling to stay disciplined, if your routines keep falling apart, if your days feel directionless, maybe the problem isn't laziness. Maybe you're not even broken. Maybe you're just lost. And if that's the case, then the next video is exactly what you need. Tap on the screen. You're not lazy, you're just lost. Let's fix this.